So today I'm going to share with you the reasons why I decided to do digital products from home. So I've been divorced about 14 years, and back in 2020, back when COVID had happened, I had gotten a job at a food distribution. When COVID hit, my job became in high demand, which meant I was working 6 days, 16 to 18 hours, which meant I didn't get to see my children that much. So at the time, I had a day off, July 3rd of 2020, when my daughter suffered a seizure and was hospitalized. And in that same week, she had 2 back-to-back brain surgeries. That moment on, I knew that I had to do a change. So I looked for other ways to create income online, and I couldn't find it. I've done other programs. I didn't even make it as far as having a website built. So when I stumbled across Michelle